Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Woo, this has been quite the year. So, today's Thursday, and to keep practicing our days of the week, yesterday was, go ahead, tell somebody next to you, Wednesday. Good job. Okay, so if yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday right now. Tomorrow is going to be Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, I heard you say it. Friday. Good job. So tomorrow is Friday. And today's actually the day before our spring break. So tomorrow and all of next week, you will have no schoolwork. You're very excited about that. So it's going to be a spring break, and I know a lot of people's plans might have changed, including ours. We were supposed to go camping, but we will not be camping. We will be home next week, and hopefully we have some nice weather so we can go outside and let the kids run around, including you guys. All right, so I have a book. And hopefully by now everybody has planted their seed that Miss Heather put together for everyone. And we're going to start to see some changes with this seed. So I have a book that is titled Plants. It's actually a Science A to Z book from our Reading A to Z library. And we really like these books because they're very informative. And some key elements used in this book are talking about the big idea of what the seeds and the plants do and need. So, plants are alive. We did a whole unit on things that are alive and things that are not alive. So plants are alive. Oh, what do they need? Plants need things to live. So, plants need a place to grow. Plants grow in different places. They can grow on land, or they can grow in water. And they're not the best pictures, but you can see that this is probably a pond. It's black and white pictures. And this is land. It looks like a cactus. Plants need air and light. They need water. And plants use air and sunlight to make their food. These are the plant parts. We have the flowers. We have the fruits, which hold the seeds. We have the stem. We have the leaves. And then the roots down in the soil. They take in the water. So the roots will dig into the soil. The roots keep the plant in place. It's not going to move. Once its roots are growing, it's not going to move. The roots help to find water, so they suck in the water. A carrot is a root, believe it or not. Some plants have tiny roots that grow close together. Stems hold the leaves. Stems bring the water up into the leaves. The sun shines onto these leaves. Some leaves are big and some leaves are small. Big leaves get lots and lots of sun, and then there's sometimes small groups of leaves. Okay? Some leaves are long and thin. Some leaves are large and flat. Flowers make seeds, and some seeds are big, and some seeds are really tiny. We have a dandelion right there, a sunflower plant, coconut, and sunflower seeds. Some seeds are in fruit. So if you look at this piece of watermelon, you can see that there's seeds right inside the fruit. And you could actually take that seed and plant it and grow another watermelon. Some seeds are in nuts. And then plants grow from that seed. So that little seed we stuck down in the soil is going to grow into a plant. Animals need food, and many animals eat the plants. So we have a hippopotamus right here. He loves to eat grass. Animals eat leaves. They eat roots and stems. They eat the fruits and the seeds. We have a monkey right here. He loves fruit. And then down here we have a little hamster, and they love nuts and seeds. We eat plants too. Plants help us grow, and plants make us strong. So the seed that we planted, we will actually be able to eat. It was a zucchini and I think an eggplant or a squash. So those are gonna grow and produce vegetables that we can actually eat. So I'm gonna flip back to this very important page to talk about real quick the parts of the plant. So we put the seed down into the soil, and those roots are going to dig down into that soil in order to get the water. And eventually our seed is going to sprout out from the soil and have a stem. And that stem will carry the water. Right here, that stem will carry the water to the leaves and to the fruits, okay, and to the flowers. So the roots and the stem are very important. So it's very important that we also remember to feed our plant a little bit of water. And these guys are little containers, so you don't need to give them a lot, just a few droplets. I actually put mine out into the rain for a little bit today, so that they could get a little bit of the rainwater. All right, so I want to see pictures of your seeds growing, and we'll continue to talk about them. And I'll post my pictures too of my seeds growing. I planted the extras, and I can't wait to see what they do. Very exciting. So I am going to end the video right here, but I'm going to post another one later so that we can have a little goodbye message before our spring break. All right, see you soon.